Another day, another story to help us learn and grow. Hello everyone, welcome back to Lola Sap, where we explore information regarding all things health for the mind, body, and planet. Today we're unraveling the fascinating process of how cardboard is made. You might have cardboard boxes all around you, but have you ever wondered how this versatile material comes to be? Stick around as we take you on a journey from tree to box. Let's dive in! So what exactly is cardboard? Well, it's a thick and sturdy paperboard made from wood pulp. Cardboard is not only used for packaging, but also for various creative projects. Let's explore how it all begins. The journey starts in the forest where trees are responsibly harvested. Sustainable forestry practices ensure that we protect our environment for future generations. The trees are then transported to a paper mill for the next step. Once at the mill, the trees go through a process called pulping. This involves breaking down the wood into fibers. The result is a mixture of fibers, water, and other substances. The pulpy mixture is then spread onto a mesh conveyor, forming thin sheets. These sheets are pressed to remove excess water and create a dense layer of fibers. To give cardboard its strength, a layer of adhesive, often a type of glue, is added. This glue helps bind the fibers together, creating a robust material that can withstand various uses. The sheets are layered to achieve the desired thickness for the type of cardboard needed. Then, they undergo a pressing process, removing even more water and solidifying the structure. After pressing, the cardboard sheets move through drying machines. This ensures the material reaches the right moisture content, making it stable and ready for the next phase of production. Now comes the exciting part: cutting and shaping. The large sheets are cut into the sizes needed for different applications. Some will become cardboard boxes, while others might become display stands or creative art projects. Many cardboard products are customized with designs or information. Printing presses add vibrant colors or essential details to make the cardboard visually appealing and functional. Now let's shift our focus to a crucial topic: responsible cardboard usage and recycling. Let's explore creative and practical ways to reuse and recycle cardboard, contributing to a healthier planet. Before we jump into creative ideas, let's revisit the basics of cardboard recycling. Most cardboard is recyclable, but it's essential to check with your local recycling guidelines. Typically, corrugated cardboard is accepted, while heavily waxed or contaminated cardboard may not be suitable for recycling. Flatten and clean your cardboard before recycling to ensure it's processed efficiently. One fantastic way to repurpose cardboard is through DIY eco-friendly crafts. Turn those old cardboard boxes into works of art. Create homemade gift boxes, picture frames, or even organizers for your home office. The possibilities are endless, and you'll not only reduce waste but also unleash your creative side. Did you know that some types of cardboard are compostable? Unbleached, plain cardboard without any glossy coatings can be added to your compost pile. Shred or cut it into smaller pieces to speed up the decomposition process. Your garden will thank you for the extra organic matter. Speaking of gardens, consider using cardboard as mulch. Lay flattened cardboard pieces around your plants to suppress weeds, retain moisture, and improve soil health. Over time, the cardboard will break down, enriching the soil. It's a natural and sustainable way to care for your garden. For those with little ones, turn cardboard into a fun and sustainable rocket ship. With a bit of creativity and some paint, you can transform a large cardboard box into a magical castle or spaceship. It's not only an entertaining project, but also a way to instill eco-conscious values in the next generation. Consider donating sturdy cardboard boxes to local schools, community centers, or even to people moving house. Reusing cardboard in this way extends its lifespan and minimizes the need for new packaging materials. It's a win-win for you and your community. Unleash your inner DIY designer by creating upcycled furniture from cardboard. From shelves to coffee tables, cardboard can be surprisingly strong and versatile. Reinforce it with glue or other materials for added durability, and voila! You've got stylish, eco-friendly furniture. Embrace sustainable gift wrapping by using cardboard instead of traditional wrapping paper. Decorate the cardboard with drawings, paint, or even fabric scraps. Not only does this reduce waste during the holiday season, but it also adds a personal touch to your gifts. Organize cardboard recycling challenges in your community or workplace. Encourage participants to come up with innovative ways to repurpose cardboard. This not only fosters a sense of community, but also sparks creativity and awareness about sustainable practices. And there you have it, a plethora of ideas to responsibly reuse and recycle cardboard. Let's join hands in making a positive impact on our planet. Share your cardboard recycling and repurposing ideas in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to inspire others to join the eco-friendly journey. Until next time, let's continue working together for a greener, healthier Earth.